Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarana Kulkarni. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about skincare, and I'm gonna show you the mini facial thing here. And we gonna give home remedies also, home remedy face mask and eye mask and also everything, and also lip scrub, and we have the like face pack from outside. I mean, from the like, it's a brand called M Caffeine. This is not promotion video, guys. This is have given me a visible results and home remedies. And many people don't like outside thing, buying and applying. You can do this at home. And I'm gonna tell you the face mask also. Face mask is like home remedy, home face mask for tanning or glowing skin, which is good is gram flow and milk and the turmeric. It is really good for you. You have to mix it, no adding water in it. You only have to add a milk, and milk one, you have the creamy part in that. So that is a scrub for you. You have to scrub it and wash your face with any good face wash. Then face wash and apply the mask and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Your skin look really glowy and tan free, everything. So first so I'm gonna talk more. I'm not gonna talk more, we'll get into the video. In this I'm not used home like that. I have told you the face mask here. I have used outside, and I'm gonna like apply the tan removal face mask also. And first step is I'm gonna wash my face with this. This is the Himalaya purifying neem face wash. I don't have acne scrub for my face. This is also really good. We have the face mask here. This is to try anything or any product or any home remedy, I'll leave in the everything. I'll leave in the description. You can go check it out, and you can buy, or you can go and make the home remedy thing. So I'm not gonna speak more. Let's get into video, and I'll come back after wash my face. Hair here, this area have little bit of hair here and all. It's not there. I just shaved my hair 1 week ago, so that much. No, it's a tiny hair and it's really irritating me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the hair. Before that I'm gonna apply this is really like calms your skin, and I really like love it. From wherever I want to shave my face, I'm gonna like apply the gel. And I'm gonna tell you guys, many people have the reaction that don't shave your face, or don't shave anything, be natural or everything. But it's really irritating me, and all the dust will dust particle will be in this area because I have more hairs. And whenever I wash it, I just feel I need just like burns my skin, like I was just irritating. But now I'm going to tell you about the shaving my face is. Many people have the reaction is don't shave your face, your hair will look like a boy's beard will be like so bad, and you'll get like. I'm gonna tell you, I'm using this face razor from 2 months. It doesn't came anything or any rough hair or anything. It's your natural hair, it comes again. It is not so thick, and it is also not visible on my face. You can see it. I'll show you the like close up. Can you just see any hair visibling or black anything? It's your face color. it's my face color hair. It is just really weird for me. If you're in darker color than me, it'll be like black color. You'll get like irritated and you'll just remove it, but you have to be so careful also. And I'm not gonna talk more. I'm gonna remove the hair, and after that I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Before using the razor on my face, I have washed it, and I'm gonna clean the razor with this. This has makeup remover in it, and micellar water. And if you have any hair left out here, you can just see it. So yeah, I'm gonna start. Can you just see the hair in it? I don't know, you can see or what. Yeah, so guys, done. I've removed my hair this side, and here also this area is super soft, and you can see the color change also. And I've done my little bit of eyebrows here. I'm gonna like remove it. Done. And this area has hair for me. I just removed it, and here also like little bit. You should be careful actually. So done. After that I'm gonna like wipe it with this makeup remover. Done. I'm gonna wipe this also here, to if you have any excess hair, it will like catch it. Done. It doesn't burn, guys. You have to be careful when you're removing your hair. You should not do like this. You have to be like this, and gently you have to pull this side here, and you have to like gently do it. And take care of your razors also. You should be good. You should sanitize it time whenever you use it, and your skin also. Done. I'm gonna wipe with the towel, towel, anything you can just say, wiper or something. I don't know what I'm gonna think. Done now. So I'm gonna give a steam for my face. I have this steamer here. You can use this as sanitizer, sanitizer spray or anything. I'm using this as face steamer. So yeah. Done. And I'm gonna wipe this by a towel or a hanky, what it is. So I'm gonna wipe it as I'm gonna like dab it. After this, I'm gonna apply this aloe vera turmeric gel wherever I have shaved it, because you'll have a bump or you have irritation or any bump. So I'm gonna take this and quickly like tap it here also around the eyebrows and here. Done. I'll wait it for 2 seconds, and later I'm gonna like before that I'm gonna scrub my lips. I have pigmented lips or very irritating lips. It'll be dry, so I'm using this scrub. This is the homemade scrub. This has sugar and honey. So I'm gonna like and take any cotton pad or anything, wipe it your lips after that. Done. My lips like feel like plummy thing. And now I'm gonna like apply the tan removal face pack. So for that I have used this is it. I don't know if you can see or what, but this is it. Your curd should not have a more water consistency with it, because it will be like watery and it will drip it out from your face. That is not good. So for that I'm using this brush, and apply all of the face. This curd is homemade, so it's really like amazing. It will give also cooling effect or burning effect, both. It gave me first time burning effect, because your skin will be adopting a new thing, so you have to try it out first time. If it's the second time also you're getting burning effect, you have to leave it. You should not use it. Done. You have to wait for 10 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. Later on you have to wash it, and before that I'm gonna like apply the honey for my lips. This is your DIY lip balm to make your lips shiny and soft. If you have a habit like applying a lipstick, so you have to take care of your lips more. So I'll wait for 10 minutes. I'll meet you after that. So guys, I'm back with washing after 10 minutes. I have to like say it makes my skin like glowy and soft. Now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the lip mask. Um, eye mask, you not lip mask. Lip mask. I don't have a lip mask. I want, but I don't know where do I get or what is the remedy. If you guys know any remedy about the lip mask, please do comment. Mention in the comment down below. I'll make sure I'm gonna make my lip mask for chapped lips or dry lips. So my skin is like plummy and look glowy here and clean. Now I'm gonna take the um, this eye mask. This is the eye mask. I'm gonna like squeeze it, or else it'll go down here flow. So it smells really yucky, but it is good for your skin. So I don't like potato smell actually, guys. I'm just taking actually. I'll meet you after 15 minutes. So guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna remove this. It's already 15 minutes, so I'm gonna remove this. I see a little bit of fadeness here in this area. Other than I think we have to. This is my first time I'm using it, and I just I don't know. I have a mixed feeling because I'm using this first time, so it's okay, and I'm feeling so hydrated. It's cooled my this area. This area it is like cooling effect. I just feel it so relaxed, and I was just taking a 15 minutes nap. So yeah, it's not a nap, fully nap. I didn't get a sleep, but it just faded this area, I think, and I want, and it's like a baggy kind of a thing here, but it's really amazing. Um, I'm using this first time, and before I've used Garnier eye patches. It is also really good, but I don't know. I'm gonna recommend you guys. But natural thing, natural home remedy, it takes time, but you have to do it twice in a day for twice in a week for like better result. So next we are moving on to our face pack last session, and later on we'll have skincare after this. So yeah, I'm applying this. I'm using this brush. So yeah, smells amazing. I just dropped my bottle, the that is, and that is safe. it has not happened anything, it doesn't break it, and it's really strong, so everything is fine. This part is over. I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna apply this area also. So done applying all over face and under my neck here, neck part, and we'll wait for 20 minutes. I'll meet you after that. Don't get scared, guys. It's me, okay? So guys, I'm back. I washed my face. It was so cooling. I really loved it, and you can see the glow on my face. And yeah, so yeah, glow, and you can see the so clean look, clean effect, and so cooling. And I really like felt so amazing. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the skincare products for my face. So first step is the serum. I'm using this serum. This is the M Caffeine Naked Detox green tea face serum, and it has vitamin C. And I don't care whatever in it. I don't know like what is benefit of, for my face, or I don't know. But green tea, I have just done it. Green tea, it is really like amazing product. I have heard it. I don't care in a sense like I don't see anything what is in it, what is that, what is this. I'm not that expert, so I'm gonna apply this really good, done good for my skin. So this is the package here. I'm gonna take this much and apply here for my under my forehead here, and like this, and I'm gonna like massage it. First I'm gonna like tap it here and all over my face. So I'm gonna like apply all over and to my neck here, little of here. I'm gonna like tap it and swipe it, tap it both. Done. Okay. So I'll leave it for a few seconds for dry it. So for the face moisturizing, I'm gonna use this Pond's one. This is really like amazing. It has like super light gel. I don't know what the product, what the ingredient. I don't like give important. Important is the texture and how it works on your skin. That is really important. um, I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, super jelly, and I'm using this almost 1 month. So yeah, this much is it is left out. So smell is okay. So yeah, I'm feeling so like hydrated. Now I'm gonna apply the moisturizer. If you want, if you have a clogged pores, or you have open pores problem, or anything, you have a eye bag here or anything, you can just use your use the ice cube on this towel. You can just massage it. um, I don't have a ice now. I forgot to keep in the fridge, but it's okay. You can make it. I'm gonna make it on the night. I'm gonna massage all over my face. I'm gonna go for a bed. It's like a quick massage and amazing. So I'm gonna apply the face moisturizer to my like neck also a little bit here, and massage it, good massage it, gently, but that's it. So now I'm gonna apply the lip balm. For the lip balm, I'm gonna apply the Himalayas one. I'm gonna show you. So guys, this is the lip balm. This I'm gonna I use this in a day. Night time I'm gonna use Laneige one. So this how it looks, and this is really amazing, guys. I really love it, and it is really affordable also. If you want to buy this, I'll leave in the description box. You can apply this whole day and keep it. You're at home or you're doing some work or anything, you can just apply this lip balm and set, and it's really like hydrating and smooth. And yeah, I'll come back. This is the final look, guys. This is look amazing, and I'm really happy with this um, the result. And I'm really feeling so fresh and hydrated. And this is the final look, and this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please do like, and if you want like this video in the future or anytime, you can just comment down below. And please do subscribe and like and share. So this is the end of the video, and if you like this video, please do like. And that's it. I'm gonna not speak more. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. Please subscribe.